guys, so we got the alternator fixed on the truck. That salt has been sitting. There's a little bit of salt in the V-box there. I'm gonna see if it's gotten any harder. Even though we set it in here, it seems like the salt seems to get hard still, you know, packed. And so I'm gonna hit it around, just loosen up a little bit. We have rain coming. It's supposed to be 60 degrees, you guys, today, through the day. And then by 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, it drops drastically down into the teens after it rains. And so I want to make sure the salt is loose in here, just whatever we have. I'm going to keep it in there because I know we're going to be going out, and once it stops raining and the temp drops, I think if there's any puddles or if it's still wet, it's going to freeze. And so I want to make sure that salt in there is loose a little bit here, because it's been sitting in for a few days in here since we got the alternator fixed. I didn't get a chance to empty it out. So here's what we got. Let me show you. So yeah, right there. It's not much. Let me move this out of the way. It's not much in there, but I just feel like it's good. It's not too bad. Okay, it's not bad. It's, you know, it's still, I think it's still good. We're good. I don't like leaving salt in here, because we've done it before where we left salt in here, and then we went out and plowed a little bit, and while salt was in here, it just froze, you guys. It was bad. It was a mess. So the way I got the salt to unthaw, I bought, I think, like two or three windshield fluid and poured it in there, and then slowly it broke it down, and I was able to get the salt out. It was not fun though. I just used windshield fluid, dumped it in there, and yeah, it broke everything out and got the salt spreader running again. So yeah, it's not bad, you guys. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the salt in here, salt and sand mix in here, and then I'm gonna cover it up, and I'm gonna take this truck out because I gotta bring in the 2012. The running boards came in, and so I'm gonna install the running boards on that, you guys. So that's what we got going on. I got the truck in. Ones that don't know, this is a 2021 2500 HD work truck. It's a Duramax. And so I just bought this, and then it did come with the running board. And so it's a step up to get up. Because the 2021 trucks, they sit up a little higher than your old ones. What I've done to it so far is we've actually put, let me see here, this work truck did not come with a remote start. And so I went and paid the GM dealer or Chevy dealer to put in a a remote start, because in Minnesota it gets cold. You need a remote start. Start it in the house, let it run, get it warmed up, and then you go into the truck, it's a little bit warmer, and so and stuff gets thawed out, and you definitely need one. And so here's what I got, you guys. It came, okay, I'll show you. It came with this stock. As you can see, there's no remote start. It's just a lock, unlock, and unlocking the trunk and panic button. Well, here's the new one. They put it. I don't know why they didn't put the factory one in. And so this is the new one. It's called Compass Star. And so here, I'll show you how this works. So it's just like your regular remote start, but different. It's weird. Okay, so that locks it, the top button, and then you hold this down until it beeps. There you go, and let go. And then the glow plug is warming up. Takes about 7 seconds or so. Warms up. It should start. So it's reading it. Takes a little bit. Oh, that didn't start. What happened there? Oh, there you go. See, it's a delay. It's weird. There you go. It beeps. So the glow plug must be, it took a little bit. And so it turned on. It's quite a bit of delay. I'm so used to my Denali, like it turns on, I'd say 4 seconds into it. So let's try again. Okay, we locked it. Okay, let's hold that down. Okay, there we go. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009. Yeah, there you go. So I'm happy with that. That was about $600 for the remote start. And then I bought the Rough Country right here, you guys. Rough Country step bar. Here, I've got one out over here. Step bar, a black one that's gonna go right on the side. Right here, I got it out. You guys can see. Rough Country. They say it's supposed to just bolt on to this. We shouldn't have to drill any. Let's go ahead and put that on. It's gonna make a big difference for just getting up and down on this truck, because it's high, you guys. I'm supposed to remove that. Okay. All right, so let's put this on. So this just goes right on like that. Line it up. And so, lock washer and then the flat washer on this. So we got it all installed, and here it is, guys. Show you, much better, much better. All right, there it is. Much better, guys, much better. Looks nice too. You know, can actually get up the truck a little bit easier, better. You know, it matches. I like the black, the matte black, because everything else is matte black. You know, there it is. Very easy to install. Simple. Simple, simple. So that was, like I said, that was about $288 from, it's a Rough Country. Right here, this is where it came from. Rough Country suspension system. So this one actually fits a 2019 through 2021 15 Silverado crew cab. Includes diesel, and then also a 20 to 21 2500 3500 crew cab diesel. Yep. So from 2019 to 2021 it fits. So not bad. I bet you if I would have went and got that installed at the dealer, what you guys think? Cost me $600? I bet you about $600. You know, at least $600 with the parts and labor, at least. And I paid $288 for that, the step bar. So it is looking good, you guys. It's starting to come together. The truck, it came a long ways from stock, you know. So I've got the back rack coming. I'm gonna put a back rack on there. I don't know. I bought it. I'm debating if I want to put it on there or not. We'll see. I think I'm gonna end up putting it on that back rack with the strobe. So yeah, there it is, guys. Looking good, looking good, looking good. So if you guys been enjoying the vlogs, the daily vlogs, give me a thumbs up and comment down below. I'm doing my best trying to give you guys the daily vlogs, and you know, the sub count's just been crazy. We got a lot of new people in here. I'm just following the daily hustle. You guys want to pick up my new book for Christmas or a gift? I'll put the link down below. It's called The Heart of a Hustler, and I will be doing a book tour here shortly, and I'll give you guys an update on those. But you guys, you know, the hustle, you guys, this channel, I know it has nothing to do with this, but this channel, you guys, it's not just about mowing, landscaping, snow plowing. It's not just about those things. It's about the daily hustle. It's what we do, you guys, daily. And it's not how much money you have in your bank. It's not what you accumulated. It's about just doing better in life, you guys, the daily hustle. We wake up, we do our best, we fall a little bit, we trip, we get back up, we push through it again, through life, you guys, the difficulties of life and the struggles. And this is what this channel's about. I'm showing you guys my life and being as transparent as I can, and let you guys see, you know, I mess up, I fuck up, you know, and I make mistakes, and I let you guys see it, man. And I'm not afraid to show that. And you know, I've downsized my business as well, and to me, you guys, that's not a failure. To me, it's making moves, it's making decisions, and making what's best for the situation and the things that you know, that's happening. And so it's just about moving forward, taking action. You know, it doesn't matter what type of action you take it and you move forward and you push. And so to all the ones that are subscribing, I appreciate you. Until next time, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and Yeah, take care.